Hey guys, a very good morning from Bhubaneswar. I guess all of you have liked the surprise wala video. We have put a lot of effort to make it successful, and I think it was successful. What do you say? Anyway, if you're thinking that that was all, I must say you were wrong. We have one more surprise left for Anisha. So आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं गोपालपुर की तरफ. But Anisha still knows that it's the same old पूरी plan. So अभी हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए आए हैं प्रिया रेस्टोरेंट में, भुवनेश्वर का जो प्रिया रेस्टोरेंट है, एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द फेमस रेस्टोरेंट्स इन भुवनेश्वर. एंड आई मस्ट से इफ़ यू आर इन भुवनेश्वर यू मस्ट ट्राई इट वंस फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. इट्स द बेस्ट साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट इन भुवनेश्वर. सो अभी हम लोग जब ब्रेकफास्ट करके निकलेंगे एंड पुरी का रास्ता ना पकड़ के हम लोग गोपालपुर का रास्ता पकड़ेंगे, तो ऑब्वियसली अनिशा को पता चल जाएगा, एंड दैट विल बी द मोमेंट ऑफ ट्रुथ फॉर हर. सो वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. What do you assume?
I don't know. This is not the way to Puri. They have told me that they are going to Puri, but I think it's not Puri.
It's Puri only.
Let's see. Let's see what's the destination is.
Exactly. नहीं दे रहे. क्या क्रॉस अच्छा
देख के भाई इतना भी एक्साइटेड मत हो जाओ.
पूरी जाऊँ परा
पूरी ना छेना गुड़ा
ताले
ये रास्ता रे पूरी
ये रास्ते कौन अच्छी
ये रास्ता रे पूरी नुहे मुझे जानती फॉर श्योर. चिलिका कहाँ जा अच्छा है चिलिका गोपालपुर कहाँ जा रहे हैं
मुझे क्या पता.
एक केमती यार अंकल को ढाल ले अंकल को हंसले ठंडा केमती अच्छी
क्या पूछ रही है.
सीरियसली डोंट नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग.
यू नीड नॉट
गाड़ी का ब्रेक लगाया था. बैठ के
सीरियसली व्हाट्स
घुस गया तो अच्छी बात है.
बोलो यार.
हाँ भाई. ओ माय गॉड.
बोलो कैसा क्या चल रहा है पीछे अंकल
किसी
है.
डिस्को में जाए
बोलिए पीछे अंकल ये सब ला के दिए.
ये कहाँ से लाए तुम लोग.
किसी डिस्को में
चुप रहो ना, आशिक बोल.
किसी होटल में खाए
हाँ ठीक है खाएंगे होटल में.
So guys, finally we have reached Mayfair Gopalpur, and यहाँ पे आके we are extremely surprised and happy to see the environment. It's a nice, very nice resort, and we have just checked in, and our luggages are being sent to the room. So I haven't checked the room yet, but I know it's going to be very special. And the sun is up there over here, so right now we do not have a plan to explore the beach. Probably we'll go to the beach in the evening, but अभी हम लोगों को लंच करना है क्योंकि काफ़ी भूख लग चुका है. And there has been a small problem. गाड़ी का थोड़ा issue हो रहा है, so we'll need to check with the mechanic. Otherwise everything is quite fine, and we must say Anisha has quite liked the surprise. So there was a lot in store for us, and she is extremely shocked and surprised that क्या हो रहा है ये एक के बाद एक सरप्राइज मिलते जा रहा है. तो whatever, it was quite pleasant for her, and we are happy that we could pull it off. So I'll be updating you. Hey guys, so it's afternoon time. We had our lunch in the room itself, and they had a very good room service. They brought all our lunch inside the room only. So after having lunch, we went to a car mechanic to have a little inspection of the car. And पता चला कार का कुछ ज़्यादा serious issue नहीं है. Whatever has happened with the car, that can be managed after heading back to Bhubaneswar. So right now, we have planned to spend the entire evening at the beach. So we'll first witness the sunset, and of course it's sunset time. So very soon we'll be seeing beautiful sunset colors in the sky. The sky should turn red. You can see the beach behind me. কি বলছিস?
বলছি চা স্ন্যাক্সটা এখন খেয়ে নে, নাহলে 6টার পরে তো বন্ধ হয়ে যাবে।
চা স্ন্যাক্সটা কোথায়? সবাই আসুক অন্তত।
হ্যাঁ তো
কটা বাজে?
6টা বাজতে 5।
এটা কমপ্লিমেন্টারি? So looks like there is a complimentary snacks and tea for all of us. So with this beautiful view, we'll try to enjoy our tea and snacks. Have a look at this. This is awesome, pretty awesome. This concept is awesome. So this tea and snacks is also available in the morning. So the time is given over here. It's from 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and then 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening. So you should not miss this. This is totally complimentary, and there cannot be a better way to spend your evening at Mayfair Gopalpur. So finally the entire group is over here. All of us have gathered here to have the high tea or snacks.
This is for me और this is for वो वीडियो नहीं करना है, तुमको भी आना है और
Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow!
this is our bachelor party. Oh my god! This is beautiful.
Thank you guys.
Thank you!
So guys, good morning from Mayfair Gopalpur. After the huge surprise last night, today morning, quite evidently all of us woke up quite late. So it was around 7:30, but it was decided that we were gonna woke up by 6:30, and we are going to enjoy the sunrise and spend some time at the beach with some high tea. But that did not happen, and that was quite evident from the last night's proceedings. So अभी it's around 8:30 in the morning, and हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं थोड़ा फ्रेश हो के हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं थोड़ा बीच की तरफ, बिकॉज कल हम लोगों को बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं मिला था फ़ोटोशूट वगैरह करने के लिए. तो when you come to such a place, photoshoot is one of the most important thing that each of you would like to do. So अभी हम लोग कुछ फोटोशूट करेंगे बीच के साइड पे, एंड देन वी विल कम बैक एंड हैव आवर ब्रेकफास्ट. तो ब्रेकफास्ट इज ऑल्सो कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी, दैट्स इंक्लूडेड इन आवर पैकेज, एंड ब्रेकफास्ट इज ओपन only till 10 a.m. in the morning. So we have to make sure that we go to the beach and complete all our photo shoots and whatever we want to do at the beach, and come back to the dining hall in times to complete our breakfast. So that is what the plan now. I do not know how well is it going to be turned out, but I think it's quite fine. We are enjoying, and that's most important. So guys, now we are going to have some fun at the beach. Not all the members have arrived yet, but yes, we have 4 here, me, Anisha, Megha and Sandeep. And it has been said that Gopalpur is not that safe like Puri to take a bath at the sea. So you should not go much deep. You can go up to knee height water or at least your waist height water. That's okay, but it's advisable you should not go deep in the water without life jacket or tires. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो. You should always use these if you are taking a bath at the Gopalpur beach. So we'll be now enjoying. देख सकते हो current कितना काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. तो यार we are thinking कि बीच से इतना दूर है तो शायद ही गीले होंगे, but देख सकते हो everyone is struggling. आया नहीं अब आएगा बड़ा वाला. ये तो पूरा किला हो गई. तो गाइस जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो हम लोग का हालत बहुत ख़राब हो गया है. हम लोग सोचते बस पैर गीला करेंगे. इस सब का हालत आप देख सकते हो. तो पीछे मेघा, घोष, अन्वेषा, उधर जा रहा है संदीप, सब पूरा गीला हो चुके हैं. बहुत सारा बालू खा चुके हैं. हम लोग का पैन बहुत सारा बालू खा चुका है. तो हालत बहुत ख़राब है. अभी हम लोग को अच्छे से फ्रेश होकर नहाना है और उसके बाद ही हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट कर पाएंगे. तो होपफुली वी कैन कंप्लीट दिस एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल एंड उसके बाद हम लोग जाके ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे. तो इट वॉज एन एनरिचिंग एंड मोमेंट. हम लोग को बहुत ही अच्छा लगा क्यों, लेकिन गोपाल में करंट काफ़ी ज़्यादा है जैसे कि आपको मैंने पहले भी बोला था. सो यू नीड टू बी क्वाइट अवेयर एंड कॉशियस while taking a bath here. Otherwise it was a fun-filled experience. So guys, after Samsa's breakfast and a lot of fun in the room, as you have seen already seen in the video, we have now decided to leave Mayfair Gopalpur, and it will take around 3 to 3.5 hours to reach Bhubaneswar. So शाम तो हो ही जाएगा. So I think it's a good time to start. So we are at the sunset point. यहाँ से बहुत ही सही व्यू दिखता है sunset के टाइम पे, and you can sit here for hours and hours enjoying the waves and little breeze. So we were here for almost half an hour and we were almost sleepy. So now we have decided that no, we should leave. And so I think the entire experience at Mayfair Gopalpur was awesome, tremendous. What can I say? Any adjective will fall short, but we would hope to come here once again, at least in our lifetime. And without stretching anymore, I would say stop dreaming, start traveling. Until next time, it's a goodbye from me. Bye.